Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about the converting the given character into the lowercase to the uppercase and uppercase to the lowercase, both. Okay, as we seen earlier about regarding the ASCII values in our previous classes, that ASCII value for the small area is 97, capital A is 65, as a 0 will start with the 48, right? If you remember with that, yeah. If the character, just see that, just remember the things like small a is starting with the 97, and whereas uppercase it's starting with the 65, 0 will be starting with the 48. Okay, just go through the, okay, open the Eclipse and just create the class. Okay, click here, package, class, like lower to uppercase. Okay, then include the main method, which is a JVM starting point. Then click on finish. Then we have, what is the first step? We have, we want to take the dynamic input from the user, we need to import the scanner class, right? After that, we need to take the input, right? char ch equals to se dot next int of character, sorry, it's not next int, it's next character rate of 0, right? After completing this, then we have to write the code. Okay, first thing, as a user enter the character, just print that character. Okay, as a ch, if the user enters here, it shows that user entered a character. Okay, then what we have to do now, as we see in this, if the user enter small b, right? If the user enter small b, okay, if the user enter the small b, what is the value for the small b? It was holding the value as 98. Okay, it was holding the value is 98, right? If I want to convert that, okay, if I want to convert that into the uppercase, right, what I have to do, as a b value is higher, right, while compare a value is starting from the 65, which is lower while comparing to the lowercase. Okay, uppercase values is lower while comparing to the lowercase alphabets. So I want to convert this lowercase alphabet into the uppercase. So what we have to do, we need to decrease the value. So how to decrease the value? What is the character he had been entered? We have to do the minus 32 for the decreasing the particular value. Okay, what will happen now? 98 minus 32. What is the output we are going to get? You are going to get 6, and also you are going to get 6, right? 8 minus 2 is 6, and 9 is 66. And what is the 66 here? What is the b value? You are going to get 66, right? Because a is starting from 65, you are going to get the value as 66. Okay, if the user entered, we are converting from lowercase to the uppercase, right? We are converting the lowercase to uppercase. Then we discuss uppercase to the lowercase. Again, just write the code for the converting the lowercase to the uppercase. Already have printed the user entered character. If the user enter b, first we will print that b. Then we need to convert that. Take the character and do the minus. It will give the 66. What is the value of the output we are getting? Right, as a character, right, it's a character. And what is the character holding value? It was holding what? It was holding 97, right? 98. Yeah, it was holding the 98. So I have to do minus. Among 32, you will get 66. And what is the value resulted in? It's an int result, right? We are getting the int result. If you see this, it's a 66, which is the int result, right? Changing output to int as a ch minus 32, the output will be cast in the int format. What is the next step? We need to convert that particular, right? We need to convert that 66 into the character, right? What is the value, right? Let's take the value which is holding the 66 and we need to convert. Already we had been studied about the typecasting, right? Implicit, explicit, widening, narrowing, right? Then we are going to use the explicit typecasting, which is narrowing. Okay, then we need to convert the char. So we are using the char and then we need to save that as a character type with the result. Okay, I will explain you once again after the execution of the program. After that, just print the result. Okay, if I execute, what it says, enter the character. If I enter B, what it says, just entered B. Okay, you have entered B. Just rerun the code. Then if you enter B, sorry, yeah, just rerun B. Then what it says, enter to character is B. Then we are converting, right? We are converting that into the capital B. Okay, how we are doing this? Let's study it. Okay, just open this. Yeah, just enlarge it. Yeah, this is a code. As the user, first he will enter what? He will enter small b, which is holding the value of 98. Okay, he's holding the value of 98, that is catched. Okay, first he will enter the value as b. That's the first step, enter the character. Okay, next we need to take, we are catching the only first character, right, as a character of 0, which indicates the index, and that will be stored in ch, right? And we are printing the ch as is, it will print the b. No issue with that. Up to here is clear. Then what is the thing we are going to do here? As okay, as you are entered, what is that? ch is b. B means it's holding 98. 98 minus 32. As a result, it will be resulted in the int format, right? As a result, it will be resulted in the int format, which is a int of result, sorry, int of value. Okay, what is the output? You are going to get the output like 66, right? What is the output you are going to get? We are going to get the output as 66, right? So what is the thing as a general output for that is b has to get in a capital case of b. Now we are in the middle of process that we are converted, given smaller alphabet into the, first we converted into the value, right? That is by doing minus 32, ch minus 32, right? As it given the output as 66, what is our next step? We need to convert that into the character type. Okay, how do we convert? By using the explicit typecasting. If you are taking char and where the value is stored in value, then we are storing that in the format of catching in the format of char, right? This is a code. That means here the value is what? It's a value of 66 that we are converting into the explicitly by into the char type, right? As a char type, 66 will be the capital B. That capital B is converted internally and that will be stored in the result variable, which is a type of character. Then we are printing that result. Then the output will be capital B. Okay, yeah, if you have any doubts, just comment me. Open the Eclipse. Yeah, you are going to see this. And if I enter another character like of, it's converted, and same principle, ch minus 32 will be working. Okay, let's go for one more example, that is uppercase to the lowercase. New class, that is upper to lower case. What is the changing of line of code. What is the changing line of code? That is only the formula, right? Yeah. Just copy the code. Okay. Then paste it here. It's not a better practice. You have to type because it gets habituated. Okay, enter the character. Yes, the user has been entered the character. I was removing this. Okay, as it's giving the entered character in a green line, so I was removing that. So as we know that, what is our aim here? Entering the character from uppercase to lowercase. Uppercase to lowercase, right? What is the uppercase holding value? As a A, which is uppercase holding 65, right? As a smaller A, it was holding 97, right? We need to convert this uppercase, right? Uppercase to the lowercase. What is the formula then? CH plus 32, because we need to increase the value to convert the uppercase into the lowercase, right? Yeah. Just open this and just convert this up. CH plus 32. Just change only the sign, operator, symbol. Okay. Then as it is. Okay. Let's run the code. If I enter capital F, what is you are going to get? Small f. If I enter small a, you are going to get. If I entered small a, you are not getting. Sorry, as we have to enter the capital letter. Sorry, capital letter, we are going to get the small letter. Okay. First, we need to take the character user entered, and we have to use this formula, whether we have to subtract or we need to add based on the requirement. As we need to convert from the uppercase to lowercase, we need to increase the, we have to use the addition operator, and if you want to lowercase to the uppercase, we need to use the subtraction operator, that is hyphen, and we need to again convert that into the explicitly typecasting is performing here, and as a result of int value, again it's converted to the char type. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding the typecasting, I have posted the videos regarding the typecasting. Go through that and watch it. And if you have any doubts, please comment me below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.